Competitiveness, quality, dynamics, and performance in one of the most modern bottling plants in Europe. That is the recipe for rapid success, and the secret of this award-winning brand that quenches thirst on 4 continents and helps consumers shift into high gear. Hell Energy is the only player in the energy drink sector who perform the full scope of production stages in their own plant. It was this perfectionism that has elevated Hell Energy to the level of global brands. No wonder the company received the 2018 Factory of the Year award among European companies with annual revenue over 100 million euros at the Reader's Survey organized by leading British corporate magazine ACQ5. Today, drinks are bottled at their industrial park on 1 PET bottle and 3 metal can filling lines that are unique in Europe. Signature Hell cans are also produced locally by Quality Pack using recycled aluminum and environmentally sustainable processes. The journey of liquid energy commences with 8 deep drill wells. The filtered water arrives in 2 beverage preparation rooms, the most modern of their kind in Hungary. Hell is original in every sense of the word, with only the finest granulated sugar being used for the syrups. This concentrate is diluted with carbonated water in the mixing machine, producing the tasty refreshment we all know. Aluminum cans from Quality Pack are thoroughly controlled and cleaned before they are filled with fizzy, refreshing power by the bottling nozzles at lightning speed. Some 120,000 cans go through here every hour. Filled cans are transported into the pasteurizer. That is the guarantee of long-lasting quality. Unlike many of its competitors, Hell drinks contain no preservatives. The final products, several thousand bottles and cans, are shrink-wrapped and moved from the end of the production line to an automated elevated warehouse. Apart from the ongoing monitoring by an expert, the entire process is fully automated. Here, 6 cranes work in complete darkness. No lighting is needed. The building uses sensors to see. Everything is controlled by a proprietary software. This software controls the 2-way conveyor which moves the empty cans made by Quality Pack through the elevated warehouse and into the filling plant. After the containers are filled, the drinks return on pallets and are moved down to the 6 docking gates where they are loaded into lorries and shipped internationally. The journey that began with the water emerging from the depth is concluded with a pop and a hiss. And that's where the real fun begins.